me. They say I sound like a robot. Aww. I just want to bring you guys information. So I got these shoes. They're a pair of Christian Louboutins. Christian Louboutin wasn't really my style. You know, the red bloody shoe, that's not my style. That is not me. So I wasn't really like looking to buy a pair of Christian Louboutins. But I wanted a pair of knee-high boots, and then I saw these, I tried them on, and unfortunately I fell in love with them. So I picked them up, and now they're here. They're mine. They're mine. And I haven't worn them that much, but I'm going to be doing kind of a review on them. They're actually a pair of Christian Louboutins that are kind of comfortable. I wouldn't say that any pair of heels are completely comfortable, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I would definitely rate them a 8. Yeah, a solid 8. Like, I'm not gonna be like strutting down the street in these shoes, but they definitely are a pair of shoes that I could go out to dinner and I don't have to worry about how I'm gonna get from the bar to the car. Yeah, I can definitely get from the bar to the car. Not that anyone's going outside right now. Hence why I probably haven't worn them that much. But I plan on wearing them when things get back to normal. Anyways, let's get into this review. So I purchased these shoes inside of the Holtz boutique here in Calgary. Holtz now has like a mini Louboutin boutique inside of the store, which is cool, I guess. They actually had a sale, so I don't know if you guys know this, and I don't know if I've actually mentioned it before. On my Instagram page, I do share designer sales. So over time and having bad spending habits, I have built a profile which allows me the opportunity to be invited to exclusive sales and product launches, and I do like to share those sales with all of you guys. So definitely head over to my Instagram page, follow me there if you are a lover of luxury, but you want to be able to get items at a great deal. A lot of these sales do not go out to the public, which I did not even know. So if you watch one of my previous videos, and I'll actually insert it down below and on one of the YouTube cards up above, I purchased 2 different Givenchy bags. They're both Antigonas, one's a size small and the other a size medium, and I got both of those on sale, okay? So you want to follow them so you could get the sale too. I didn't buy these shoes on sale though. I wish they were on sale. Anyways, they come in the standard box. They do have a single dust bag that they come with. And here they are. I'm just gonna take them out of the box and show them to you. Here are my new Christian Louboutin ankle boots in the style, I believe the style is called in the 90s. They do come also in a couple of different colors, but I opted for the black with the steak skin tip. Of course, they have the classic red bottom on them, and as you can see here, I did put a sole protector on the bottom of my shoes. The purpose for this boot was to be able to have a pair of shoes that I could wear to work. I know this is not everyone's work boot because it is a 100mm heel, but for me, I'm wearing these to work. I am committed to wearing them to work, that I could wear with jeans, that I could wear with dresses. I have worn these shoes out once for dinner. It was actually on the day after New Year's. I went to a steakhouse and I wore these shoes, and I can definitely say they're not the most comfortable pair of shoes for me, although I wouldn't say that they are my most uncomfortable pair either. In comparison to other shoes that I own within my collection, I would definitely say that these fall after my Valentinos. My Jimmy Choos are always going to be my #1 on the list, followed by my Valentinos, then these, then my Manolos will follow the list in terms of heels. Now I do have other shoes that are flats, and I don't think that's a fair comparison. In terms of storage and care for this item, I do leave all of my shoes inside of their box, inside of the dust bag. I do wear my shoes enough that I don't feel the need to keep them outside of the dust bag. I just wanted to show you the amazing detail that are on these shoes, as well as the way the heel is. It's definitely a very interesting style of heel, making them a little bit different. Like I said, I did put the sole protector. It didn't stick down all the way over here on this curve, but I'm just gonna leave it. I bought the sticker for the bottom of the shoes off of Amazon, and it was actually quite easy to put onto the shoes. I'm like wibbling and wobbling everywhere. It's actually really easy to put onto the shoe, and it says that you can remove it without damaging the red on the shoe. Now, you do have to replace these stickers quite frequently, and I do plan on actually taking them to a cobbler to have the sole protector put onto the shoe, or actually replacing the sole. These shoes are still available, so I will be linking them in the description box below, so definitely go check that out if you're interested in these shoes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below if you would opt for these boots versus a knee-high boot. Which one would you prefer?